Hi friends, this video shows how to insert and remove micro SD card into Canon R50 camera. First we have to turn off the camera. Make sure that camera is in off state. I am going to insert this 32 GB micro SD card. We need a SD card adapter like this. Then insert this micro SD card into this adapter. Then this adapter we can insert into the camera. We can locate SD card slot on the back side of the camera. We have to open this cap. Here we can see lock and open. Just pull this down. That way we can open that cap, and this is the battery slot. Here in the side you can find the memory card slot. So let me insert this memory card. When you insert, make sure that this label has to come this side. See, this is a position. Okay, so we have to insert like this, then push. Okay, done. Then we can close the cap and lock it. So this way we can insert the memory card, micro SD card. If you want to remove that micro SD card, first open this cap, unlock it, open, then just push on this memory card, then release, then we can remove the battery. Sorry, we can remove the memory card. So this way we can insert and remove micro SD card into Canon R50 camera. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe my channel. Please like and share the video.